Hey there. So, imagine you have a situation where you need to manipulate a string in Terraform. The problem revolves around transforming a given input string into a specific format. The task involves taking a string like demo01.australiaeast.data.azure.io and crafting a new string like demo01 test.australiaeast.data. This transformation should be applied consistently to similar input strings like demo01.australiasoutheast.data.azure.io and demo1.her.io. The goal is to remove the .her.io part and add test to the initial segment of the remaining string. Intriguing problem, right? Now let's delve into the solution for this challenge. The key lies in utilizing the replace function in Terraform. By employing the function twice with regex patterns, we can achieve the desired outcome. Specifically, the code snippet to tackle this problem involves a nested replace function. The inner function appends test to the initial part of the string, while the outer function removes the .azure.cr.io portion. Through this approach, we successfully transform the input string into the desired format, as indicated in the example provided. A neat and efficient solution to address the string manipulation requirement. To wrap things up, we've explored a clever way to manipulate strings in Terraform, catering to a specific transformation need. By strategically utilizing the replace function with regex patterns, we crafted a solution that elegantly transforms the input string into the desired format. String manipulation made easy. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. String transformations can be fun too.